Hello everybody, it's Rich 220, and as you can see, painting has begun, but I still got some sanding to do down here. These little fine things here got to come out. The overlap, oh, that's got to be straightened out. Well, I definitely got to straighten out the bottom of that. The door's got a crease in it, so I got to get that out. And then I'm trying my hardest to get that out, but you guys know how that is. It's not that easy of a task. And I think I accidentally got a can of building primer because it all started cracking. It went on really thick. So, yep, still got some sanding to do on the hood. I don't know if you can see any of that. Kind of leveled out that side. Then what I got to do here is that's pushed down. It's got to be popped up. I got to finish sanding that. So, yep, a lot of work to be done yet. Work on this side first, and then the other side. Then I'll be back at the engine again. Because, for some reason I'd just rather have the outside of the car finished. So that way it actually holds up to the weather. So, but yeah, she's pretty damn straight. The 57 four-door. Both sides. Yep, got a lot of work to do. Oh, I forgot to put it in park. Shit. I might get those sandblasted and put them on there. I don't know yet. Now that's a good picture. Okay, I think that's going to do it for now, folks.